Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you some simple steps that can help boost FPS and reduce lag in Fortnite. So, let's get started. First, open Fortnite and go to the graphics settings. Take a screenshot of your current graphics settings. Then, take another screenshot showing your PC specifications. You can upload both screenshots to ChatGPT and ask, "Tell me the best Fortnite settings according to my PC specifications." This can help you choose settings that are better suited to your specific hardware. Next, open Windows Settings and go to System, then Display. Scroll down and open Graphics or Graphics Settings, depending on your Windows version. Click Browse and find the Fortnite executable on your PC. Once Fortnite appears in the list, click Options and select High Performance, then click Save. Finally, make sure your graphics card drivers are updated, and close unnecessary background apps before launching Fortnite. These steps can help your PC dedicate more resources to the game and may improve FPS and reduce performance issues. And that's it. If this video helped you improve your Fortnite performance, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.